It is January 27th and Winter Field Day has now begun. And since this is the first year that I've had my license and I've been on HF, I figured I would join in on the fun. So the club that I'm a member of is doing a Winter Field Day event. So before I go out there to work some stations with the club, I'm gonna try to work some stations here from the house.
Winter Field Day, this is Whiskey Charlie Papa Tango, QRZ.
Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo.
Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo, QSL.
QSL, I'm one hotel, copy my one hotel.
Copy your one hotel, I'm one hotel in Michigan, Mike India, what's your section?
What was that one more time?
I am one hotel in Michigan, Mike India, I need your section please.
Copy the Mike India. I am November Tango X-Ray, North Texas.
Copy November Tango X-Ray. Have fun out there. Good luck at 73.
73 to you as well. Alright, that makes 4.
QRZ.
Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo.
JI5 IRE. Good day. One Hotel Alabama.
Copy your one Hotel Alabama, your one Hotel November Tango X-Ray, November Tango X-Ray, QSL.
Roger, 7-3, QRZ. Awesome, 7-3 is a good luck, QRZ. DE6NQ for Winter Field Day.
Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo.
Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo, 1 Mike Alpha Bravo.
Copy the 1 Mike Alpha Bravo, you are one Hotel November Tango X-Ray, and can you reconfirm your call sign real quick?
My call is Victor Echo 6 November Queen, DE6NQ, Roger.
QSL, thank you for the contact, 7-3.
7-3 then, have fun, QRZ.
Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo.
Kilo India 5, India Romeo Echo, please copy for Oscar Romeo.
Copy for Oscar, and was that Oscar Romeo?
QSL.
QSL, you're one Hotel, North Texas, one Hotel, November Tango X-Ray, and can you confirm your call sign, please?
Call sign is Whiskey 7, Sierra Alpha Alpha.
QSL, Whiskey 7, Sierra Alpha Alpha, thank you for the contact, and good luck out there, 73.
73, this is Whiskey 7, Sierra Alpha Alpha, calling CQ for Winter Field Day, QRZ.
Alright, so I made a few contacts here at the house, and I might make a few here in a little bit, but probably not going to record them because I'm trying to save some space on my SD card. Here in a little bit, I'm going to go head over to the club Winter Field Day meetup, and I'll try to make some more contacts over there. Alright, I've got the car loaded up, and we are headed to the Hurst Amateur Radio Club Winter Field Day event, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, well, I'm out here at Hurst Community Park for the W5HRC Hurst Amateur Radio Club Winter Field Day event. Just pulled up here, so I'm gonna go get the gear out of the car and get it loaded up and get started trying to make some contacts here on Field Day. Maybe introduce myself to these guys because I don't know that I've actually attended a club meeting since I've been a member.
QRZ, Kilo Fox 0, India, Delta Tango.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Was it a Nova QRZ?
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Kilo Golf 4, Sierra Radio Kilo, 1 Hotel Charlie Oscar. QRZ for Winter Field Day, Kilo Fox 0, India, Delta Tango.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Is that a KL7 Zulu India?
So I haven't had a chance to take the random wire antenna that I built the other day out on a POTA, but I did end up bringing it to Winter Field Day, and I've got it hung up just kind of in the trees. You definitely can't see it because it's like way dark out here, but I got it hung up. I tried to get it up as high as I could. I forgot the throw bag when I was coming out here, but as you can see, you can kind of see that, but it's hung up in the tree here, and got it up as high as I could without the throw bag, and it's just not really working. Looks like it actually has fallen down a little bit since where I pulled it. So yeah, that's the end of it right here, but it's just not working. I'm gonna have to probably put an unknown on it, which I was just trying to really just use it with a tuner without having to put an unknown on it. So yeah, probably gonna have to do that. So I'm probably just gonna end up switching to the vertical at this point. All right, so as per the usual, I tested out a new antenna, and as almost always, I ended up back on that thing, the MFJ BigStick. That just seems to be the common theme, that this thing is old reliable, and when one antenna doesn't work, this thing will almost always work. So got the BigStick back out. Let's try to make some contacts happen now on Winter Field Day.
QRZ, this is Kilo 4, Oscar Victor Whiskey for Winter Field Day.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
I heard a Whiskey 5, something Papa, Whiskey 5.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Papa Romeo Charlie. Whiskey 5, Papa Romeo Charlie. QSL?
Hotel Romeo Charlie, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Okay, Echo Romeo Charlie.
Hotel.
Hotel Romeo, okay, got it. Hotel Romeo Charlie. Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie. Please copy 1 Hotel, Tennessee, Tango November. QSL?
QSL, the 1 Hotel Tango November. I have you 4 Oscar into November Tango X-ray.
Okay, North Texas, NTX.
QSL.
All right, my friend, I appreciate the contact out that way. You have a good evening, 73.
You as well, thank you, 73. Finally made one.
Whiskey 4 Romeo QRZ.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Whiskey 5, I think.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Charlie. You don't have your sound correct, by the way.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Whiskey 5, Romeo Hotel Charlie. Move the mic away from your mouth just a little bit, please.
Hotel Romeo Charlie, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Hotel Romeo Charlie. Okay, gotcha. We are 5 Oscar in Golf Alpha.
QSL, the 5 Oscar, and what was that one more time?
North Texas. You guys are in North Texas.
Yeah, 4 Oscar, North Texas is me. What was yours one more time?
That's the 3 Oscar in North Texas, sir. Thank you very much.
Copy, 7-3.
7-3s, good luck. Keep that microphone away from your mouth just a little bit. I can barely understand you. Whiskey 4 Romeo, QRZ.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
I had a message. Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie. 3 copy, Whiskey 3 Charlie, Whiskey Charlie. 3 Mike Delta Charlie. 3 Mike Delta Charlie.
3 Mike Delta Charlie, and I have you, sorry, you are 4 Oscar, I'm 4 Oscar.
And your second base?
North Texas, November Tango X-ray.
Alright, I have Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
One more time, band kind of faded.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
QSL, thanks for the contact, 73. Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Whiskey 5?
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie to 3 India, Oscar November Sierra.
3 India, Oscar November Sierra.
Yeah, 3 India, Oscar November Sierra.
QSL, you're 4 Oscar, November Tango X-ray.
4 Oscar, I'll have to look you up, so I'll start you as 3 Oscar. 73.
73, good luck.
73, QZ.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Whiskey X-ray 4 Echo, we're 3 India, Whiskey Charlie Foxtrot, West Central Florida.
Roger on the 3 India, Whiskey Charlie Foxtrot. I am 4 Oscar, November Tango X-ray, 4 Oscar, November Tango X-ray.
Copy that, 4 Oscar, November Tango X-ray,
7-3, good luck.
QRZ, Kilo 4 Mike November.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Hotel Romeo Charlie again.
Whiskey 5, Hotel Romeo Charlie.
Whiskey 5 Hotel Romeo Charlie, Kilo 4 Mike November, 3 India November Charlie.
QSL, the 3 India November Charlie. 4 Oscar, November Tango X-ray.
Copy 4 Oscar, November, Tango X-ray. Thanks for being there, 7-3.
7-3.
QRZ.
All right, well, that is a wrap for my first winter field day. Something's wrong with my tuner, I guess, I don't know. But I ended up using another guy's vertical that is resonant. His is a chameleon antenna and Wolf River coils that he put together, and it has like this linked elevated radial system. I don't know exactly how all of it works. He sent me some information on it so I can make my own, but yeah, I ended up using his to finish out the night. Made a few contacts, didn't make a whole lot out here, but yeah, had a ton of fun out here hanging out with a bunch of guys from the Hurst Amateur Radio Club, W5HRC here in Hurst, Texas. Super cool guys, super nice of them to just, you know, have this open winter field day event where anybody could come out, hang out. Had a ton of fun out here again. Great first winter field day. Definitely hoping to be back next year again. But yeah, super fun first winter field day. Definitely looking forward to being back out here again next year for a winter field day. But for now, I'm headed home, and we'll wrap this video up when I get back home. Sorry you guys couldn't see me there in that last clip. The lights outside the pavilion had shut off for the night, and I could have filmed that last part underneath the pavilion, but I think it would have just been too loud with all the heaters and things that we had going on underneath of there. I had so much fun on my first winter field day, and I didn't make a whole lot of contacts during the contest, and a lot of that was just due to my antennas not working right, or my tuner not wanting to tune any antenna. But I was able to make a few contacts out there, and the contacts that I was able to make, I had a ton of fun making those contacts. Just super fun, and I got to make some contacts before I went out to the park, so you know, just between those two things, it was a ton of fun. And I'm trying to figure out why the tuner wasn't working out in the field. It usually works on the MFJ BigStick, but for some reason it wouldn't even tune that last night. I'm not sure if it was just an issue with the power box not making enough power to use the tuner, or if my wire antenna had too much resistance to be able to tune it, or what the deal might have been there. But once I got back home and got the tuner set back up, it worked just fine here in the shack. So I'm just trying to figure out if it was an issue with the tuner on the battery box, or what the issue was, or if I'm gonna end up having to put a un-un on that wire antenna. But like I said, winter field day was a ton of fun. This is the first contest that I've ever taken part in since I got my license and since I got into HF. So super fun first contest to join in, and I hope to get to do more contests in the future. I definitely have some room for improvement when it comes to information exchanges during the contact and just all those sorts of things. But again, just a ton of fun, super fun to get to experience my first contest. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like, support the channel, feel free to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Those two things just help out the channel, help this video reach more people, and help the channel continue to grow. And make sure to hit that notification bell as well so you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, 73.